I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just SANKWAS compared to those. I call them the SANKWAS 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the SANKWAS 5, Dr. Baumia, Honorable Kennedy Japan, Dr. Brana Champong, Aduchum, Honorable Kwabneji, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama here. You see,